Hello everyone. Did you know that distributed and parallel optimization refers to methods that split a large or complex optimization problem into smaller sub-problems that can be solved simultaneously across multiple processors, machines, or network nodes? In parallel optimization, computations are executed concurrently to speed up solving, ideal for large-scale or high-dimensional problems. Distributed optimization, on the other hand, involves multiple agents or computing nodes, often geographically or logically separated, that each solve local sub-problems and coordinate to reach a global solution without central control. This approach improves scalability, fault tolerance, and privacy, making it particularly valuable for systems like blockchain networks, edge computing, and decentralized design ecosystems where data and computation are naturally spread across many participants. What do you think about distributed and parallel optimization? Do you use these types of optimization techniques in your research? Please let me know by leaving a comment. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.